Okay, so hi guys, how's everyone tonight? Tonight I am making a very simple recipe. Okay, also one of my family favorites because it's really simple and very inexpensive. Probably have eaten this before, but I'm just going to show you just in case. Charity, this is for you. Especially. Some of them, sorry. But we are going to make this. And I've cooked the rice because I like my meals hot when I'm eating it. So I needed, I'm gonna make this. I have to make scrambled eggs for my one son who doesn't like this. I have one son, he's very autistic when it comes to meals, so he doesn't. Yeah, so I'm making scrambled eggs for him, which is okay. Sometimes, some nights, that's what we eat, scrambled eggs. But, yeah, I turned this up. It's heating. It's not hot yet. So, one of the things I found at Walmart, okay, guys, because I have autistic boys, and I don't know if you can see this, but, I bought these from Walmart for eggs, because I asked the boys at my refrigerators, and one of my refrigerators in the back room, so when they go grab it, you know, they can just grab this. So I bought like, I think 6 containers like this. It was like 3 something at Walmart. They're so handy though. It's safe, especially at my house that way. And so I need eggs because I'm waiting for this to heat up, and I am gonna make the eggs at the same time I'm doing this.
Oh yeah. No.
So the rice is cooked. I'm making this meal because some of us want something different. I were eating some of the leftovers from last night, but some of us don't want the leftovers, but I do. I want the salmon though. So this is gonna go on the oven. I mean the stove. Sorry. Still chicken on there. So I needed 5 corns for this recipe. See? 5 corn. I opened it and drained 5 corn. See? And they're all completely drained. And then 1 PISUPO. And I did cut up an onion. And then I have seasonings that I do with it. Right, Charity? So the egg is something else that I'm doing. Sorry. But I will use a little oil though. Just a tiny bit oil. Probably, yeah, it's about a little over a tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to check if that is actually running right. Don't I hate it when I can't find the spoon? Yeah, so, and I usually break the oil with this. This little brush thing is some kind of hard plastic. I don't know what it's called. It's not very good in this. I can explain it to you in someone, but and bought this thing, a couple of them from the dollar store. I think they're made by Betty Crocker. That's the or
I don't need
the company that uses the white color. So that's done. I don't need that anymore. So I'm gonna fry that onion. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. I have to move the other one. Sorry, I'm doing this for the YouTube channel also at the same time. So I don't keep doing all kinds of videos. I'm trying to move this up. There we go. And I'm gonna cook the onions just a tiny bit. It is so easy to make this. I love this. I love the smell of onions. I cut the whole medium-sized onions because sometimes I want a little bit more. So then I don't cook it all the way, the onions that it. And I put, see, and you gotta be careful too when you put oil in because the PISUPO or the corned beef alone has a lot of oil. And then, because if you cook, to me, if you cook the corned beef too long, it gets all dried. So I put this right away in there. I put the corn right away. I was like, this is cream with corn? Because I've made that mistake before. See? I do 5. It's stretching the corned beef. Man, they're so pricey. Sorry guys, but you know me and prices. You don't need to add as much corn as I'm doing. You can cut it. See? See, I told you, this is very, very simple. And if you want more onions, which I do, I love onions, and my family does, they all do also, you can add it, because it's not completely cooked yet. Well, corn is, but I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit. If you don't like onions, don't add them. Because I know there are a few people in my family that don't like onions. So I put about a teaspoon or a little over a teaspoon of pepper in there. Then Mrs. Dash. I'll do like probably about 3. I love Mrs. Dash. If you've seen the other videos I've made, love Mrs. Dash. Oh my gosh, this is a quick meal for the moms, the working moms. Because I remember when I worked, I only worked for a couple of years, but it's so inexpensive. That's what I like about this recipe. See? I'm just stirring it to make sure the seasonings are all over the place. And there you go. Voila. So and then you're gonna let it cook for probably 8 to 10 minutes. Just turn this. Just want to make sure. Did the power go off? Dang it. The power just went out. Oh, great. Did somebody turn on something in front? I'm gonna have to move it. Sorry. The wiring of this house is not funny anymore because I use these things and I have to move it. I'm gonna have to move. Yeah. So I'm just gonna let it cook for like 10 minutes. Because we have, okay, this is the rice. I'm using the rice over there. our house, for some reason, this outlet right here and the outlet in front and the microwave, they're all hooked up to one, and so it overloads all the time. Not all the time, but sometimes. So, let me see. I'm gonna move this over there. Sorry about that, guys. I have to move it. Okay. I'll let it cook right here. Oh, I can't believe it. Because the kids will. Okay, that's it for this.